Hey, it's Aaron with Car Talk and Aaron on Autos. Today we're teamed up with SimpleTire to talk about tire safety. It's Tire Safety Week. And I specifically want to talk about heavy-duty tires. So the biggest things that make tires for heavy-duty vehicles different from regular car tires is they have higher load ratings and different speed ratings. It's very important to know both the speed and the load rating for your heavy-duty tire. How much that vehicle can haul or carry, or how much that trailer can bear, will be entirely determined by that weight rating. And how fast you can haul it is the speed rating. So if you're going faster than the speed rating, you are in danger. If you are overloading that vehicle, you're in danger. It's a common misconception for people to believe that if the tire fits on the car, it's perfectly fine. That's not the case, and especially is not the case with heavy-duty tires. Probably the most important thing to know about heavy-duty tires is they need to be maintained. With a heavy-duty vehicle, you should check the tires all the time. So I guess that's it. Thanks for doing your part to help keep the roads safe and being road ready with us. This has been Aaron with Car Talk and SimpleTire. Talk to you again soon. Hi. That's a lot of numbers and crap to keep track of. Numbers.